Hey y'all, I have one more little hack to say after my Color Science review of the medium, basically like CC Cream Moisture Plus Tint that I used from that. It's really light from that line from Color Science. So this is Maybelline and I love this stuff. If you haven't never tried it, you need to try it. I just blot it on my face like so if I want a little extra coverage. So let's say I was using my Color Science during the day and I want a little bit more coverage in the evening. I'm just gonna magically erase. That's why it's called Magic Eraser. So this is the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Makeup Treatment, and it has SPF 18 in it, and it also has collagen in it and goji berry. So if you've never tried this stuff, it's really monumental. The way it smooths out the skin texture, discoloration, it's buildable for sure. I can leave this one little coat on, or I can keep applying it. A little bit of dark circles today. I have a new puppy and she's been temperamental. So you see how it's just, I have this red line that I get on my face. It's especially noticeable when I'm like tired or stressed or haven't gotten enough sleep, or watch a really sad movie. It will show. It's ugly. Not ugly, but you know what I mean. I get a little red there. It's my little Indian mark and I love it. You see? See how that just gave me a cleaner palette, a smoother palette to work upon. And it really is silky smooth. You have to check it out for yourself. So next, I'm going to use my True and Luscious bronzer and blush palette and highlighter to give me a little bit of bronzer. I love this stuff. It's actually under my counter. I have two other ones of the same that are like done. I need to throw them away, but I just haven't yet. I can take there's different shades on it. You can see I really use this a lot. There's ones with more highlight, a little more shimmer in them for more of a nighttime look. And I absolutely love this blush. This blush looks good on everyone. If I want to go with a little bit of a darker bronzer around my hairline, which I like to do, to create shadow and frame my face. Give myself some shadow at the bottom by my neck and then kind of blend it in. Let's kind of connect it all, blend it in. Blend in the top a little bit. It's funny when I look so tan all of a sudden. And it really just helped to accentuate, to even it all out and to give me even a better palette to finish up with eyes. Like I said, today I'm doing a little bit of a makeup tutorial, and then afterwards I'm going to do a hair tutorial. So check back in a little while. And then I'm gonna follow up with this blush top. And I just kind of put it on the apples of my cheeks, and then a little bit on my nose, chin. And then and then I'll blend it in with the brush that I just used for my bronzer and highlighter. One other little product that I absolutely love is this product right here. It's made from Bakeries. It's the Bakery, but that's not the whole name of it. It's Makeup Bakery. It's a primer, but y'all, I like it right here. It's such a cute little line too. I really like this brand. Beauty Bakery. I'm sorry, y'all. My bad. Beauty Bakery, the butter. So see, I usually just use it here instead of as a primer, just to brighten up my under eye area, and also as an eyeshadow base for my makeup that's coming next. My eyeshadow that I'm going to use today is from Too Faced. So stay tuned. Thanks, y'all.